Hello and welcome back. Right now today I've got this smart LED light. Now this is amazing. Check out this. This is the thing you need for the summer. Right, before I show you this on, I want to show you what you get inside the box first. Right now inside the box obviously you get the fan itself. This is the fan bulb. Round here is the light and there's the fan in the middle. Now this is 10-inch. Now the thing is, when you get this, you need a converter because when you take this off here, it comes with a screw-in part here. So you will need a B22 converter, which I've got here. You need one of these so you can plug it into any standard light socket. So basically a screw on there, and obviously then it goes onto your bulb like that. The light bulb thingy socket. Now also get the remote control and the instructions as well. It's just basically a piece of paper, that's all it is. Now this is 30 watts and it's got 3 different speeds and 3 different light modes and all on it. And as well as that is you can actually switch the light off, have the fan running, or switch the fan off and have the light running. So that's a good thing and all. It is quite bright and all. And like here's how you control it basically. I'll just show you that in a minute anyway. So let's plug it in and show you it. Let's slot it in like that. Obviously without the converter, like I say, I've got no open. You have to basically get the converter if you want it onto like this. Now the only problem with this is the fact that when you turn it on, it does tend to spin all the lot, in which I don't really like. So we probably get some kind of strengthener here, so stop it spinning basically. If you want to stop it spinning, just leave it. It's not that it's heavy. I think it's because the fan, obviously, when it's on, it's like just doing that, rocking. I don't really think it matters. It won't fall down or anything like that, so don't worry about that. Now let's turn it on. Ooh, that's it. It's on, and at the moment the light's just on. This is remote control here anyway. These are the different. I can get orange like this. And you get a white colour and all. Basically like 3 different modes on there. I like the white one. As well as that, you can get this and all just to dull it if you want. Oh, just dull it. This button here is to turn the fan off and on, like a fan sign. And this here, with these lines on, is like the fan speeds. And the bottom here is basically how actually long you want it to go. So if you want to just want it on for like 2 hours, you just press it 2 hours there and it'll run for 2 hours and it'll turn itself off. It's quite smart. So let's turn it on. Turn the fan on itself. See how it's spinning a little bit? I don't really think it matters, but like I say, because it's like a bit. But apart from that, I mean, I've got this underneath my sofa here, and this is good because obviously when I'm watching a movie and it's really hot, this will cool me down because there's quite a wind off that right now. For like this is 10-inch fan, and this is like supposed to be a copper colour there. That's the reason why it's not white here. It's like copper colour. Different speeds. That's like a slow speed. These are £23 on Amazon, but I have seen them for £10 and all. So if you can get one for £10, it's a bogging, especially in the summer. That's just dull. Turn the light off completely. Like that. It's just going. I do like them. I like it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this anyway. But apart from that, I mean, I will put the link in the description below. But apart from that, like I say, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.